Hello, my name is Vijay. Welcome to my channel named TechiesEra. Today we are recording this video for our series C-Sharp interview questions. And in today's recording, we are going to discuss a very important interview question, difference between IEnumerable and IQueryable. Whether you are a fresher or you are experienced, you will see this question in almost every interview. So it's very important to understand the difference between these two. So in this video, I will try to explain the difference between these two. So let's start with the difference first. If we talk about the difference between IEnumerable and queryable, these two belongs to different namespace. IEnumerable belongs to the system.collection namespace and IQueryable belong to the system.link namespace, which you need to remember. But this is not the main difference which interviewer will look for. Main difference between these two is IEnumerable is a in-memory collection and IQueryable is a out of memory. What's the difference between in-memory and out memory? Let's say you have a employee collection in your database. So what you are doing, first you are fetching all the employee information in your C sharp and then you are doing the filtering. Filtering means like you are filtering the employee data based on the salary where salary is greater than 50,000. So in C sharp, you have all the data and then you are doing the filtration, that is the in memory. But on the on the other hand, in case of iQueryable, you are doing the filtration on the server side itself. You are doing that part in the database and then you are fetching the filter data in the C sharp. C sharp will get the filter data only. So this is the main difference. IEnumerable is in memory, means client side. iQueryable is out of memory, means server side, like DB call. So the third difference, filtering, which you already covered. IEnumerable, after data is loaded, like once the data is available in the C sharp, then only you do the queries. In case of iQueryable, before the data loaded, like we have data in SQL only, there only you are doing the filtration and only the filter data will be returned to the C sharp. So this is the main difference which you need to remember, and interviewer will look for this only. So you need to remember the namespace also, and this is the main difference. Now we will try to understand this with the help of an example. If you will see in this example, I am fetching the employees list from the DB. If you are using the IEnumerable, it means you have all the employees data in the C sharp, like in memory, and then you are doing the filtration, like where salary is greater than 50,000. So in this case, I have all the employee data in memory and then I'm doing the filtration. But on the other hand, if you will see the queryable thing here, what we are doing like filtration on the database end only. Like first data will be filtered on the SQL end and only the filtered data will be returned. So this is out of memory. If we will try to relate with a real time example, what you can think, suppose you are going to a Apple store to buy some apples. In case of IEnumerable, what you are saying, give me all the apples. I will filter these apples at my home. Like which apples are good, which apples are bad, you will do that filtration at home only. But in case of iQueryable, what you are doing, you are doing that filtration at the store itself. You are filtering the good apples there and you are buying the good apples only. So if you will try to relate the IEnumerable or iQueryable, you can remember this example also, so that you, if you will give this example to the interviewer, it will be a good impression. So, in nutshell, if you will see the difference between IEnumerable and queryable, IEnumerable is in memory and iQueryable is out of memory. So, if you need to filter a large data set, then iQueryable will always be a good choice. You can't compare that with the IEnumerable. IEnumerable will be, if you will fetch all the data, then it will be very time consuming. So iQueryable will be the best choice if you have a large data set. Hope you will like this video. Please let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.